I start on GiftHintz to request a birthday hint from Maya before choosing a gift. Next, I set the occasion to birthday, choose a $250 to $500 budget, and add context for the request. With the details visible, I check the message, confirm it feels helpful, and continue without guessing about Maya's birthday. Because I am not signed in, GiftHintz lets me continue as a guest and asks for my name and email before sending. After I submit the guest form, GiftHintz sends a verification email and holds the request until my address is confirmed for safety. In Mail, I open the GiftHintz message and tap Verify and send my request to finish the guest email check right away. The link validates my email and sends everything. Once verification is complete, I get confirmation that Maya has received the hint request, plus a link to review its status whenever I need an update. I open its status. The request is waiting in Maya's inbox, ready for her reply now. GiftHintz. Give the gifts they love. Get the gifts you want.